Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to restore accidentally closed tabs in any browser. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. So what if you have accidentally deleted your browser right here or any tab right here? That's frustrating when it happens. So here's a quick way to recover accidentally closed tabs. All you have to do is to tap Control plus Shift plus T, and it will restore your recently opened tabs. So this will open or reopen the last closed tabs, and you can keep pressing it to bring back multiple tabs. Again, just press Control plus Shift plus T. Each time you press Ctrl plus Shift plus T, the browser reopens the last tab you closed in the exact order they were closed. It remembers multiple closed tabs, so you can press it repeatedly to bring back several tabs one by one. This works even if you have closed and reopened the entire browser session, as long as you haven't cleared your history. And that's how easy it is to restore accidentally closed tabs in any browser. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.